How are you? All are fine? Very good. Myself, Atika Kudle. Welcome to Nagesh Kurazgi Orchid School TV channel. Children, today we are going to study Book of Wellness subject. So, take the book, be ready. Open page number 2525. Yes? All are ready? Very nice. Children, in the previous session, we have studied that every problem has a solution. Problem solving. Problem solving means what? हर प्रॉब्लम का सल्यूशन है, बस हम लोगों को सोचना है और उसके बारे में सल्यूशन ढूंढना है. ओके, बिना डरे बिना घबराए हुए हम लोगों को सल्यूशन निकालना है. ओके, now children, today we are going to study a new topic, that is health and physical development. Children, health and physical development means what? Health, आपकी हेल्थ, आपको सेहतमंद रहना चाहिए, isn't it? That is very important. Physical development, जो आपकी हाइट बढ़ती है, isn't it? आप मोटे हो जाते हो, दुबले हो जाते हो, that is called physical development. Okay children, today we are going to study physical and health development. All are ready with the books? Let's start. See children, health and physical development. Okay, now we are going to look forward. What is health and physical development? See here, body movement. Body movement means what? Let's see. The things you play, you stretch or you balance your body is called body movement. For example, see here, hopping. What is this? Which body movement is this? Hopping. लंगड़ी करते हो ना, लंगड़ी? That is called hopping. Okay, this is a body movement. Then stretching. एक साइड बेंड होना है और दूसरी तरफ से अपने बॉडी को ऊपर की ओर खींचना है. That is called stretching. That is called stretching. This is also a body movement. Stretching is a part of a body movement. Next, skipping. रस्सी खेलते हो ना? That is called skipping. This is also a type of body movement. Next, balancing. This skating you have, skateboard. At that skateboard you have to stand and you have to manage your body weight. That is also a body movement. Balancing your body weight on a skateboard is called body movement. Balancing. Then walking. आजकल सब लोग छुट्टी है, कोरोना की वजह से छुट्टियां हैं, लॉकडाउन है, तो सब लोग वॉकिंग एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो ना घर पे. वेरी गुड. लाइक दिस ओनली यू शुड डू डेली एक्सरसाइज, स्ट्रेचिंग. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड वॉकिंग. रनिंग. दौड़ते हो ना तुम, खेलते वक्त दौड़ते हो ना, पकड़म पकड़ी खेलते वक्त. दैट इज कॉल्ड रनिंग. Okay children, these are the body movements. Now what is there? Color the smiley for the activity that you can do. See children, hopping you can do very well, so you have to color it. Stretching, this also you can do very well, no problem in that. The smiley you can color it. Then skipping, very interesting part, you all like to skip, isn't it? This smiley you can color it. Here balancing. See, balancing, it's quite difficult children. Some can do and some can't do. Okay, so if it is possible for you, then only you have to color the smiley, or else no. Okay. Then walking to school, walking to park, that is a part of body movement. So you can do it very well. This smiley also you can color it. Running also you do very well, very nicely, you like it to run, so you can color the smiley. Okay, this part is for your homework. Okay children, this is for your homework. Nothing, only you have to color the smiley, that's it. Okay, now let's see. Turn the page. Now here, look here. These are also a body movement. Let's see. Throw a ball. Throwing a ball is a body movement. Okay, आप बॉल फेंकते हो ना, आप कैचम कैच खेलते हो आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ, आपके भाई के साथ, isn't it? At that time what do? You throw the ball. That is also a body movement. Okay, now catching a ball. See, if you are throwing the ball, definitely your friend is going to catch the ball, isn't it? Catching a ball is a body movement. Next, kick. See, when you play football, yes, in the football, when you play a football, what you have to do? You have to kick a ball. What you have to do? You have to kick a ball. That is only the game. Exactly, kicking a ball is known as football. So, kicking a ball is a body movement. Okay? Next, bounce. See, bouncing a ball. See, bouncing a ball is also a body movement. देख रहे हो ये लड़की कैसे बाउंस कर रही है, बड़ा बास्केटबॉल लेकर वो क्या कर रही है, नीचे ऐसे आप बास्केटबॉल खेलते वक्त क्या करते हो, बॉल को नीचे बाउंस करना है, बाउंस करते करते आपको उधर दूसरे रिंग में जाकर आपको बॉल बास्केट में डालनी होती है, मगर बास्केट तक जाने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, बॉल को बाउंस करना पड़ता है, isn't it? Bouncing a ball is also a body movement. Next is jumping. When you play skipping, आप जब रस्सी खेलते हो, रस्सी खेलते वक्त आपको जंप करना होता है ना, then only you can play the skipping rope. So jumping also is a body movement. Okay children, now see what they are asking here. Write the names of the activities below. What you have to do? See here red color helping box is given and some words are also given over here. Some words they have given, but they have not completed the full spelling. They have asked us to write the names of this activities with the help of this helping box. Let's see. Two children are playing. Yes, the boy is throwing a ball, isn't it? When this boy is throwing a ball, definitely the girl is going to catch the ball, isn't it? The spelling of throw they have not written here. The incomplete spelling is there. We have to complete it. See, T. Then H is missing. Write H. R is there. O is missing. So write O. W is written over there. T, H, R, O, W, throw. Okay. Then next is the girl is catching the ball, isn't it? C, A. They have written. Then T is missing over here and again C is written. and H is missing over here. So we have written T and H to complete the spelling of catch. Okay. Next is this girl. What this girl is doing? She is kicking a ball, isn't it? So spelling of kick is K-I-C-K. Kick. Okay. Next is what this boy is doing? He is bouncing a ball. Okay. Write the spelling of bounce. B-O-U-N-C-E. Bounce. B-O-U-N-C-E. Bounce. Then next is jump. The spelling of jump is J-U-M-P. Jump. See children, these are the activities which you have to do regularly whenever you are going for playing, or whenever you want to play with your friends. You have to do all these things. You have to do some activities, that is, I'll show you. Wait. Here you are going to play with your friends. Before going to play with these friends, some activities you have to follow very strictly. Then you won't have any pain after playing. Let's see what are those activities you have to follow. See. Do these simple stretches before going out to play. Just now I have told you, I have shown you. We have completed that words. There you were going to play. Before going to play all those games, you have to do this stretching part. What is the first one? Let's see.
Stretching activities. Let us try some simple stretches before going out to play. Stand straight, stretch your arms up and join your hands. Now, bend back as much as you can comfortably. Now, bend in the front, hold your ankles and look down. Try these stretches after finishing homework. Sit straight with legs folded and crossed. Now, join your hands and stretch your arms to the front. Now stretch your arms up while joining your hands. Always remember to do these stretches in presence of an elder.
Okay children, did you all understood? These are the few stretching activities. First this stretching activities you have to do before going to play. Then this second activity of stretching you have to follow when you have finished your homework. Okay, but remember children, always whenever your mother, father or your elder brother, sister is there with you, at that time only, in the presence of your elders, you have to follow all these stretching activities. Okay, do not do alone. Okay children, now look here. See, these were the body movements. Okay, beside these body movements, some more exercise you can do. What are they? That are yoga for kids. Okay, yoga keeps your body fit and mind alert. First you were doing body movements, in that you were keeping your body fit and fine. But when you are doing yoga children, you will keep your body as well as your mind fit and alert. Fit and alert. So this is the benefit of yoga. Yoga helps in keeping both body as well as your mind fit. Let's see.
Yoga for kids. Yoga keeps your body fit and mind alert. Say hello to sun. Pretend to be a tree. Pretend to be a flying bird. Pretend to be a turtle.
Did you all see, children? These are the yoga activities which you can follow to keep your body as well as your mind fit and fine. Okay, children? Always remember, children, you have to do exercise daily in the morning. If you will do exercise and yoga daily, you can keep your body and mind fit and fine. You won't feel laziness. Okay? So always be fit, be safe. Okay? Till then, bye.